We are here now in our church here in Cagayan de Oro City. This St. Augustine Cathedral Church. Doble ang mass namin, kita niyo guys, oh. Doble kasi double triple, ingat tayo this time. Malapit kaya tayo doon sa altar. It's a big church. Bless us, Lord. Keep us, spare us from all these dangers.